Hi all, welcome to the Java Talent. So in this video, I will going to be cover the part to download and install the Java JDK latest version, and then I will show you how we can set up the class part for our environment setting, and then how we can work on the first program of the Java language. So first of all, we will have to go to this official website of Oracle, and you need to put JDK download. So I'm going to hit the Java JDK download. If you go to this official website of Oracle, here there is the two version, Java 19 and Java 17. And actually this is my laptop as Windows operating system. So I will be going to hit this Windows installer, and my system is 64-bit. So I'm going to download this installer. So I am already having this installer into my download folder. So let me go there. So it is already installed. So what you will need to do is once the download is completed, you just need to double click on it. So this exe will be pop up and it will ask for your permissions to go ahead. So I have checked it, yes. So it will install into my system. Next. So this is the predefined location where this installer is going to install my Java JDK version. So if you want to change the locations, you can just change from this one, but I am leaving it as it is because further I will need to set the class path and all. So for that reason, I can remember this part because this is the default part where we have installed the Java. So let it be finished. So next here, once it is done, I will show you by running one program, simple program, and this will just print the one message. This is my first program, like that. We will print it. Let it be finished then. Okay. So if you see this successfully installed, that means the Java has been already installed in my system. So let me show you the path. Here I will need to go to this program files and then Java. And actually in my system, if you see here, there is the multiple version of Java I have. So you do not need to worry about that one. So you just need to worry about whatever the version we have installed. So I have installed currently at Java 19. So let's open this folder. So basically here you will find all the DLL and AXC and Java C compiler to compile all the program. So next is like if I am going here, I need to check the version, which version I have installed, and I want to check whether the installer has been successfully installed or not. So I will just put it here as command prompt. I am open the command prompt, and I will see Java C hyphen version to know about the version of the Java. So in my system, there is Java C 19 version, what we have installed just now, because I am in the current location on the installer location where this has been installed. But if you open the CMD new command prompt, you will not see this thing because for that reason we need to set the class path. So Java C hyphen version. So it will not populate my Java 19. Oh, is it? That means it has been already configured into my system. So for that reason, if you want to change the environment variable, you need to set the path. So for that, we need to go to this setting. Actually, my Windows is 11. So there is some configuration changes. So means it might be if you having the different version like Windows 8 or Windows 11 or Windows 10. Based on that, you will find the configuration details. So next, we will need to go to this advanced, about system and about, then advanced setting. So from there you will find the environment variables. So what we will need to do is we need to set the class path. So this one is the variable path. So this is for the system specific and this is for the user specific. So for example, this is for user variables for Lenovo because my laptop is having the user as Lenovo. So for that it is asking for the Lenovo user. So here you need to put your class path like that. Similar way I have already done for the Java 11. So you need to create new and you can just paste the path whatever you will be having from this program file Java and then JDK 19 bin. So this path you will need to copy and create the new variable like that. Hit OK. Hit OK. So it will be going there and it has been successfully completed. So this is the step we need to follow. And for your case, if it is not coming, like if you are opening a new command prompt and whenever you are hitting this Java C hyphen version, and if you are getting an error message like Java C could not find. So for that reason, you need to set your system variable or user specific variable. Then you can able to get it like this. And you can run your program from anywhere, any location through this command prompt. Because this is a simple program, so I am using the command prompt to demonstrate you. Otherwise, I will go ahead with the any IDs. A specific ID we will capture and then we will go ahead. So let me first, next is simple one Java program I will write and then I will compile it and then I will run it to show you the output. So simple, I am just writing one class, public class first program, correct? So I am using this Notepad++. You can refer any any specific text editor like Notepad and whatever you are preferring. You can take your. But I am using this Notepad++ because here it is very useful in our scenario, in our programming language. It has multiple encoding standard and languages specific so that we can go ahead. This will be very useful. And then public static void main and then a string array of args argument variable. And then here I will be just going to print the one message system dot out dot println and semicolon. And here I think printing this class is for installing Java JDK and first program. Fine. So this is my class. So I need to save it. So this class needs to be saved using class name. Same class name I am going to change first program dot Java because this is the Java program. So I'm going to use the Java extension. I am saving it to the desktop. So if you see my desktop, my program is ready. This is my program, what we have written here. So next one is like I need to compile this program, then I need to run this program. So let me open the command prompt here. So I need to go to this location, specific locations from this desktop window. So I will go to the desktop and just opening the new command prompt. And then I will do the Java C first program dot Java because it will compile my program. So let's see. It is not giving any error. If you see here, it is blank line. That means my program is compiled successfully. You want to show see first program dot Java and then it has generated my compiler. My Java C compiler has been generated this class file. So if you want to open this file, you will not able to understand what it is inside this file because we are not the compiler, but it is the Java converted bytecode. We need to run this program basically. So let me go to this one and I will hit Java. To run the any Java program, we will have to write Java and then the class name. Simple. Java program. So Java first program. That to compile the program, we need to write Java C and then class name with the Java extension. But to run this program, we need to write Java and just the class name first program. So we are getting this output. This class is for installing Java JDK and first program. Yeah, this is the things which we are wanted to learn in this tutorial. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel and share it to everyone who is having the who wants to get the knowledge on the Java technology. Yeah, thank you so much.